by design. Knee walkers are built for comfort. In some cases, users may experience discomfort when using their knee scooters. Making these simple adjustments can resolve these issues. Let's go over them. All knee walkers perform great indoors, but not all excel at prolonged outdoor use. The wheels on your knee scooter play a big role in comfort. Vibrations from the rough outdoor surface travel through the solid tires to the rest of the frame, which in turn, you feel these vibrations on your body. Using an all-terrain knee scooter allows you to have a smooth ride outdoors by absorbing such vibrations. It's important to choose a knee scooter that will best perform in the environment you'll be in the most. Your knee walker should adjust to you, not the other way around. Proper posture will ensure that you can ride your knee scooter comfortably. You should be able to stand relaxed and straight, not hunched over. Your injured knee should rest comfortably on the knee rest pad and bent at a 90-degree angle. Additionally, it helps to wear comfortable shoes with a good grip when scooting. Some knee rests have adjustable orientation to accommodate a right or left foot injury. Two of our most popular models, the Swivelmate and Orthomate, come standard with an adjustable knee rest. An improper knee rest height setting can cause discomfort and fatigue. Proper height should be the distance between your bent knee to the floor. An improper handlebar height can cause you to hunch over the scooter, leading to back pain or hip discomfort. The handlebars should be at about the same height to your waist. Prolonged use may cause some discomfort on your resting leg. Cheap knee scooters come with a substandard knee rest pad that provides minimal cushion. A knee pad cover can provide extra comfort. The best pads are made from foam, memory foam, and fleece. Overall discomfort results from extensive knee scooter use. Be mindful of pushing your limits. For example, a 5-mile outdoor walk is not the best idea. Go easy on your injured leg and give it plenty of rest. If you feel pain or discomfort on or near your injury, consult with your doctor to screen for any potential complications. Adjusting for these comfort tips solves the majority of the issues people have. For more information, check our article link in the description or visit our website at rentakneewalker.com.